Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are working with HAIRVIVI, and I wanted to do an unboxing so that way I can share with you guys my experience, right? So in the box that is sent, you do have to unravel the package to get to the product, the hair, and then you're greeted with a welcome card, a guide as well. And in this bag we do have an edge brush, guys. This is a customized edge brush that comes with a tail comb, which I've never seen before. It also comes with 2 hair clips to help with customizing and styling your hair as well. Now in this bag, this is where the hair is. Now this is the Chase Brown Ombre Glueless wig, guys. This wig is so gorgeous and I love the blend of the browns. This is what it looks like. This is how it flows. Now this is an invisible HD lace. It does come pre-plucked. The hairline comes pre-plucked, and the knots on the frontal also comes pre-bleached, guys. There's also a fake scalp on the frontal as well. And guys, it's the first time I'm seeing this on an elastic band. This is a piano key elastic band, guys. It does have like an anti-slip, and it is amazing because it is soft on the skin and it helps with gripping the hair onto the skin. Now this is the hair. Look at this gorgeous blend between the 2 brown shades, and it is just gorgeous and flattering, especially on my skin. Now this is what it looks like from a distance, so you guys can see the full length of the hair. It flows, the quality, everything. And this is the construction of the frontal. You do have a lot of parting space to part and style the hair whichever way you desire. I'm gonna go ahead to just put this on my hair, and guys, look at this. No styling, no plucking. I just wanted to show you guys that this is like an exact replica of my actual hairline, and I'm going to show you what my hairline looks like. This is my hairline and this is the wig, guys. There is no difference. I feel like this hair was made exactly for my hairline. Amazing. So this is what we are working with. If you look a little bit closer, you can see that this hair is not moving anywhere. It is secure, it is glueless, and you can also see that fake scalp peeking through, but it's not a huge problem because it just makes the hair a little bit less seamless and easier to work with, right? So I'm going in with my glue stick. I'm going with my wax stick, sorry, and I'm using this to just further customize my wig. I'm applying this on the edges as well as on the center of my hair, so that way we can further melt this down and customize it. So when we install it and we have the final look, it looks amazing. I am just admiring the hairline because, guys, I usually struggle with installing frontal, which is why you always see me use like a closure wig. But with this frontal, guys, I don't know, it's just perfect, to be honest. So I'm going in with my hot comb to just melt the sides, the edges, as well as the center of my hair, just so it's sleek and it melts down. Even though I feel like the wig pretty much comes pre-styled, right, and ready to go, but I wanted to just further do it so that way it kind of looks better on me as well. So this is what it looks like melted. Again, look at that scalp, look at that fake scalp. It's just it gives you one less step to do when you are installing your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead to just clip the hair out of the way using the clips, so that way we can cut off the excess lace. I don't want to be cutting off the hair. I want to make sure that we have no disturbance and we're seeing exactly what we're doing. Now if you are a beginner, definitely use a pair of scissors to do this. I find that using a scissors gives you more control. Using scissors gives you more control. However, you do want to be careful if you're using this, because it's so easy for you to snip and you go wild and cut off the hair instead of cutting off the lace. So you want to be gentle and you want to take your time while doing this, right? So I'm just going ahead to just cut off the excess lace, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I've not used any product on it. It just blends in, right? So I want to go ahead with my holding spray. I'm just adding a little bit of this just to further hold this frontal down, and I'm just going to melt this for a couple of minutes so that way the whole install looks flawless, right? So leaving this on for about 2 to 5 minutes just to further melt this down while I proceed to styling the hair. So what I want to do next is to just shape this hair to my face. And I started loving doing this because there's just something that it gives when you do this and you create like layers, but you also frame the hair. It just gives, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks so beautiful, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just layering this out, but also helping to like frame my face as well. So yeah, I'm doing this on both sides, and I'm just taking my time to do this. Now what I'm also doing now is to like, I want to say pre-straightening my hair, because I don't want it to be straight. I just want to get the length of this hair so you guys can see what it looks like. I do want curls, but I don't want like a very tight curls, and this is what we have now. I'm also going to go ahead to curl the hair. I'm using my straightener to curl the hair. If you have straighteners, you can use this to pretty much do everything. You can use this to straighten your hair, to curl your hair, to even act as a hot comb if you don't have it. So yeah, you just have to make it work. So I'm just trying to create like waves and curls to just look more flattering on me, right? This is typically how I curl my hair, and I'm doing this in sections. I don't want it to be too curly, like I said. Even though it's looking too curly, I'm gonna go ahead to comb this out. Just have like loose waves, and I'm loving it. This is what it looks like, and look at that frontal, beautiful. So I'm just combing this, and guys, this is the final look. I love that the tips are blunt. It is giving volume, it is giving beauty, it is giving black skin popping and complementing me. Look at the blend, look at the flow, look at the waves, look at how everything just, you know, looks amazing. So yeah, this hair again is from HAIRVIVI. I will leave all the links down in the description box, so be sure to check them out. And yeah, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy this video and hopefully enjoy this hair, and yeah, have an amazing day, guys. Love, kisses, mwah, bye.